basic setting though. Then ensure that it is in the 3D modeling. Then go to top view. Here change it southwest isometric view first. Okay. Next, this exercise we need 3 box only. Totally 115. Okay. This circle diameter, cylinder diameter 7.5, 2 circles. This height is 30. First draw this box. First draw this small box. 25, 30 height, and this length is 25, height is 30. Draw one box. Another draw one cylinder. Then this big box 60 height and 15 plus 25 40 length. This length is 40. Draw one box. 3 box only draw. It is 3 primitives, predefined 3D models. Go to isometric view, select a box. Before that, change it in here. Construction, it is easy for you. Go to box. Somewhere you can select. First here select length option. Then ortho on it. Go to inclination. Select ortho on. This length is first box 25. Enter. Then this width seam 40. Enter. Then height 30. Enter. I draw this box. 30 height. This length is they are giving a 25. This small box I draw now. Okay, next. Inside one cylinder is there. This diameter of 15. Go to select cylinder. Somewhere first randomly click. Select the diameter in the command bar. 15. Enter. And the height is 30. Enter. Okay, next. Again select box command. Somewhere draw. Select the length option. Ortho on. This length is you take 40. Enter. And this width is again 40. Enter. Then height 60. Enter. See here it is 60. Enter. This length is 40. I take here to here 40. 15 plus 25 40 I take. Okay. Next, draw one more box. Somewhere you can click. Select the length option. Ortho on. This length is take 30. Enter. Then this length is 40. Enter. Height is same 60. Enter. Okay, I made 3 boxes. Okay. Now go to solid. Select a chamfer edge command. Chamfer edge. Select in the command bar. You have to select the distance. Distance 15. Enter. Then next distance 30. Enter. Now it asks select an edge. This edge you got select. Enter. This is 15. Next distance you got to track down this 30. Enter. Enter. I draw this box. Next, I draw this steps, this slope. This slope you have to change with the draw with the chamfer command. Again go to home, select solid chamfer edge. I selected this edge. Now select first one, distance. This also first distance 15. Again 30. Enter. Select the edge. Enter. It is we need 15 as per question. See here. This 15. This also 15. Here 15. This thickness also 15. So I take 15. Next, this arrow you have to downward. This 45. Enter. 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 Okay. This all primitives we need you have to solve with the fourth question. First, this cylinder is move into inside. Change it wireframe. Select move command. Select the cylinder. Enter. This come in the center of this. First keep like this. From here to this distance is 25. See here it is 25. So it coming in the middle. So 12.5. From this edge to 12.5 you take. Move. Select the same cylinder. Enter. This center to here 12.5. Enter. Okay. See here it is two object is here. We got subtract. We need the circle through hole. Solid. Subtract. Select the bigger one first. Enter. Select the smaller one. Subtract command. Select the bigger box first. Enter in the keyboard. Then select the hole. Cylinder part. Okay. Next, this box we need two. So you go to copy. Copy. Enter. Two box we need. Okay. Next, use move command. Select this slope box. Enter. Keep this edge to here. Okay. Next, again move. Select this box. Enter. Keep this edge to here. Next, again move. Select this box. Enter. Keep this edge to here. Oh, this box, one more box. No, sorry. Go to move. Enter. Keep some distance. This box, another one coming there. Go to copy this same box. Keep here. It is rotated another opposite direction. Go to rotate command. Select the box. Enter. Keep in the bottom. Ortho on. It is very easy. Keep like this. Now you have to move. Enter. Keep the base corner. Move it here. Okay. Next, again move. Select the box. Keep the bottom corner. Move it here. Okay. All the shapes we drawn, but it is not union. It is always separate entity. Okay, so you have to union all this. Go to union command, select all, enter. Now you got select, it is a single entity. Okay, the fourth exercise over. This no need the dimensions because all the boxes we did in the as per given dimensions. After no need give the dimensions. Okay, thank you.